Hi friends, I hope you're quite well. Today I have royal wedding bundles, these files in PSD and some photo from web, for example wedding photo, and here is a mock-up, these files in JPG just for preview, and here is save the date, invitation, menu card, RSVP, escort card, table card, message card, and last is thank you card. So first open this, and Maria Salmon and Peter Lake, save the date. You can change everything, you can change background, write your own title or text, or import your wedding photo, for example like this. So you can see in layer area, first unlike this, here is background. I know you can change background, okay, and images, here you can import your image. For example, open this and create new layer, first layer, create it and import any photo, for example like this. I think this file, no, okay, adjust, enter, Control Shift L for auto leveling, Control S. These files are in CMYK color, that's mean printable. Wow, you can hide this, opacity is 11 or 30, depend your own self, your own choice. And okay, undo. Maria 7, you can change your own date and change style, anything. Okay, now photos of. So next is invitation. Here is two sizes, 5 by 7 inches, and front invitation front and back, two-sided. You can change everything, you can change color, background, writing text, etc. Just click here, write your own text, very easy, together. Wow, I know you can change background. Here is menu card. Menu card size is 3 inches by 7 inches. You write your own stories, title, or your program, or your party detail. And you better know how to change this background or change menu color, shape, right, black. Wow. And here is background, it look like brilliant look. Okay, and close this. You can make more better. Here is table card, message card, and last is thank you card. So having part of our wonderful day, love, Maria and Peter. These are Christian. Amazing. So you can change, or you can apply any other photo. For example, import this file here, enter, and right click, create clipping mask, and then opacity is 250, and this size, this color is going white. The amazing. So you can make more brilliant card or an awesome design. Here is two photos are pending, so don't worry. Table card, depend your own self, you can set background image or not, but you have a option of photo like this here. Right, create clipping mask and opacity is up, down, or depend your own self. I hope this data is useful for you. Subscribe me for more unique data. Take care, Allah Hafiz.